Good morning. I have an elderberry bush that I want to put in the ground right over here, somewhere in this area. Not exactly sure where I want to put it, so that's what I'm working on now. See what's the best spot. The thing is, you have to find a spot that will give it room to run and not bump into the trees. I think that pine can be limbed up a little bit. And the red maple, the tree right here, which the builder put in, has not looked healthy at all since we moved in. You know, even when it was a baby tree, it just didn't look right, but I didn't know enough then to know that I could have removed it and replaced it with a nicer tree or something else that I really liked. I mean, the red maple is okay. It gets really pretty leaves in the fall. It just looks so sickly. We have a few dead branches on it that we're planning on cutting out. So anyway, well, that's the story with the red maple. Right now, we're going to focus on getting this black lace elderberry in. We're going to place it right here. We're going to move. This is a dappled willow. And in a nice deep pot. But it looks like it's not doing well. I don't know if it's holding on. Well, it loves water, so it can't be that. And it's not the cold. See, the leaves are almost look like they're drying up. Almost look like it's a lack of water, which I find hard to believe. Don't know what it is, because the other one that's in a pot that's under over by the patio is doing better. Although I do see some there's some budding there. But it's still growing. Still has a lot of life in it. So we're just gonna put it in the ground. I'm gonna put it right here, even if I have to move it later or the really cold, harsh weather we get. or if we get any. It doesn't get that bad here in 8A in Georgia, but some plants do die. It's another very pretty day here in Georgia. So we're gonna wrap this up, put this in the ground. A lot of pretty red dirt. It's not hard at all. We haven't had any rain, so I'm just mixing the red clay dirt with the regular garden soil. I have some sand mixed in here. Help with drainage. And also put some evergreen fertilizer, a little of that in the hole. It's such a gorgeous day. I'm going to have to take this vest off. And also, I am going to plant the other elderberry. I'm not planting on the other side. I just got a vision for how that will look. You know, one on each side of the yard. And we'll see which one does better. On the other side, it's more of a incline, so the drainage should be a whole lot better. But I think the elderberry would not mind if it was sitting in a little water. sure the roots are not going to go all the way to the bottom of this pot. I'm sure they're just halfway down. And we do want it sitting a little above the ground level to help with drainage also. So let's dig a little bit deeper. Pulling up some roots. Hopefully it's the maple. We're just coming down eventually. It's not doing good at that. Love this thing. This alga actually it breaks up the soil. Puts what do I want to say? What is the word I'm looking for? Anyway, see how soft it gets? Makes it nice and fluffy. Yeah, I think that's deep enough. Like I said, we don't want it too deep. Yeah, it's not going all the way down to the bottom because of the pot.